Did you put all those in a bag?
She wears a bag.
Oh, good bag.
What's that?
Tag body spray. Creamy caramel. Milk chocolate.
Is this the stuff you got from in the mail?
Oh, no, baby. Here, Mommy have it. Mommy take that. I'm going to get your baby out and you can put it in your stroller or your...
Use there.
Hold on, boy.
What you got, cologne?
Candy bar.
Mom, say something nice.
I'm frustrated.
Are you still working on that doll?
Lily, here's your baby.
Look.
Oh, look how pretty she is.
No one threw away my receipt in there, did they?
What's that mean?
Your what?
Isn't that your drink? Herba mate?
It's got yerba mate in it.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
She need her baby thing.
I'll have to have one of them today.
Chewy. Here's her cup. Now you can put your baby in a stroller or something.
Are you done, Benji?
What?
What's that, the Mountaineer Moo Cow dance? What's that? Did you get one of them, Benji?
Did you do all the time to open that?
Yeah.
So all of you's got an iTunes card? Did you already spend yours?
Not all of it. I'm gonna rent some movies today. I wanted to
Rent. Rent or buy?
rent because you can pay $15 to buy it, or you can pay like $4 and get it for like $2.
Oh, Daddy.
Say that again.
On there, you can buy a movie for $15, or you can rent it for 2 days for $4. And I don't have
You're
enough for all his movies on my
Where do you watch it?
iPad.
And it goes away in 2 days? Your mom went way out of her way for that.
This?
I knew I wanted it and I couldn't find it anywhere. They had all that cool stuff on it.
Are you kidding me? 7 layers? Is that really necessary?
If you're wondering at home, each child reps the other of the other child.
Since we know Benji does not like
Florida.
Those are pretty.
Benji always blows through all his stuff.
everything you got in the gray, bud.
Put that on.
All right, time out.